In this video, you'll learn how to get into crocheting position. First, let's learn how to hold on to the yarn. So take your piece in your left hand, and then take your right palm and face it to you. You want to hold your piece in front of the right palm, and then wrap the yarn connected to the yarn ball once around your pinky, so now your piece is behind your fingers. Then drape your piece over your index finger and hold on to the piece with your thumb and middle finger. You want to hold on to it so that the little loop that's going to be for your hook is in the upper left-hand corner, and this cut off piece of yarn is behind your piece. So maybe it wound up in front. All you got to do is literally move it behind your piece. So the whole reason why we're in this awkward position is because we care about the tension of the yarn between your finger and the piece. The tension of this yarn determines how easy it's going to be for you to pull a loop through other loops, or pull this yarn through other loops. So to make it looser, you just need to move your finger closer to you, and now this yarn becomes more slack. Make it tighter, pull your finger away from you. Now it becomes more taut. And one other tip here, in case your yarn starts to slip off your finger, just try to move the yarn so that it's constantly in the back third of your finger. Last step is holding the hook. You can hold it like a knife, or you can hold it like a pencil. Just do whatever is most comfy for you. Stick your hook into the little loop, and now you are ready to crochet.